Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on GALA token. Few days back on 1st of Feb, I shared an idea for my members at the Patreon that GALA has completed a very big harmonic bullish reversal GALA move. And this was the chart, by the way, I shared for my members on 1st of Feb. You can see. And by the way, I'm also sharing different trading ideas here. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon, then I've also shared the link to join me here in the video's description you can find there. Okay, here, if I open this chart, we can see that the potential reversal zone was quite wide, but we had a very nice support here at 14.6 cents. Therefore, I told my members that it will be really difficult for the price line to break down this support. Therefore, even though the potential reversal zone goes to approximately 7 cents, therefore, but we can set our stop loss here at 14.6 cents. Now the targets, because this potential reversal zone is as per the Fibonacci sequence and the chart is on the weekly time frame. Therefore, if it is very wide, then we can find different support levels to set our stop losses, and here I did so. And we can see that here our sell targets as per the Fibonacci sequence of this currently are from 46.6 cents and goes to 71 cents. Now, after playing the chart, we can see exactly from that support, the price line turned bullish. Right now, we are above this buying zone, and it is turning more and more bullish. Now, if we take a look at the live daily time frame, here we can watch a very interesting chart, because previously we had the same channel, same down channel, GALA formed here back in 2021, and after breaking out this resistance, I'm just going to show you the measurement of this rally after the breakout, not before the breakout, after the breakout. That was more than 730%. You can see same channel is again formed. Now if the price line breaks it out, you can see right now we are also breaking out this red line as well, that is exponential moving average 21. That will be also a very big breakthrough as well. Now after breaking out this channel, we can expect such move again. However, as per the Fibonacci sequence, we can set our sell targets as I have shared here, as per the GALA move, from 46.6 cents and goes to 71 cents. Now, if we take a look at the different simple moving averages on the same daily time frame chart, by the way, this pattern is on the weekly time frame, and here we are watching at the daily time frame. Right now, we are breaking out this 25 simple moving average. Then we will have the 50, and this red line will be the 100 simple moving average resistance levels. So it will be also another very big breakthrough to break out this 25 simple moving average, because after that, it can work as a strong support for the price line, and it can lift the price line to the upside like it did here, and same move it can start from here as well. And you can see when we were above these moving averages, we were really very strong bullish, and once we broke down all these moving averages, we turned bearish. So right now we are breaking out the 25, and I'm expecting that we can soon break out the 50 and 100 simple moving averages as well. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.